Hi guys, my name is Marlene. New to this YouTube thing. I don't know why I did this, but I'm new to this whole YouTube stuff. Videos, fun, bloopers. You know, you get what I mean. I can show you my so it's my first video that I have ever made in YouTube, as you know, because I just said I'm new to YouTube. So over here, I'm gonna go see my best friend Kaylin. Hey, she's my best friend. So just noting that this is the basement actually. So I'm not gonna be making videos daily actually because I don't really have internet, but I'm using my best friend Kayla's internet. So first video we're gonna be interviewing a creature named Bobert, and it is Kaylin's. So we're gonna go bring him down in this basement while we're gonna stay in the basement while Kaylin will be bringing the creature down here. Basement's not really big, guys. I really hate basements because it all looks bad. See? And if I could just decorate it, put a few flowers somewhere right here, flowers over there. Oh yeah. Barbie doll house. Not mine, Kaylin's. But it's pretty messed up because we don't use it anymore. We're probably selling, I guess. Bobert's coming anyway, so I'm gonna pause the video. And Bobert is here. Oops. Okay, Bobert. Great. Is Bobert gonna get down?
Hi everybody, I really want to get down. I know what I'm doing right now. Oh wait, hi.
So Bobert, what's unique about you, Bobert?
Well, I'm a dog, and I'm a boy, and I'm a mix with the Chihuahua. I think a Corgi. I'm not sure.
Okay, Bobert. Stop laying down.
You're like, I really want to get down, though.
Alright. Bobert. Just cuddly. Are you gonna bite me or are you gonna lick me? Bobert, over here.
Well, I don't want to know what you're talking about.
Alright, Bobert. Bobert, I have a question for you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is May 11, 2016. I'm 3 months old.
Oh, Bobert, you are so young. What's wrong, Bobert? Oh, can I take him down, please? Are you okay, Bobert? Bobert, where are you? Oh.
Well, that's all it for the interview. Bye, guys. See you later.
Bobert couldn't make it. Bobert is... Yeah, sure, we're going to say it down here. Bobert is shy through camera. He looks pretty sad. Actually started whining. He wanted to get down. So just let your hair flowing actually. So, I'm just kidding. So, this is the end of my very first video. It's not really long. Oh, no, it is. It's 4 minutes. Alright. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Any other, what's the word I'm trying to use? Any other video suggestions you want to use. And, thank you for watching. Bye.